those.
Those stretch marks.
Really?
Yes!
No, those are stretch marks. What is
No, Taylor, that is a stretch mark.
that dark?
That's a stretch mark.
Why, is it supposed to be dark like
I
that?
don't know.
It don't even look like a stretch mark.
It's
That's
a
what I'm
stretch
saying.
mark.
Are you sure?
Yes, I know what my stretch marks feel like.
Huh?
I know what a stretch mark feels like. I have them.
No, me too. I'm just obviously, but I'm just saying, like,
It's one of my
it
stretch
doesn't
marks.
look like a stretch mark.
It is. It's a
That's
new
scary.
one. It's a new stretch mark.
No, I'm not talking about the white part.
I know what you're talking about, Taylor. It's a stretch mark.
What you getting me for?
Mm.
Huh? Did you report my Did you just record on that?
I wonder how my eyes look. Like, do they look exotic?
What's up? What do you mean what do exotic eyeballs look like?
They're like all like sensual and sexy. So be like, ready? Ready, I got you.
I can't catch it.
I can't.
You said what that look like. Oh.
Wait, hold on, I got you. That hair flip.
Are you recording this?
Yeah.
On YouTube?
Whoa, yep.
Are you serious?
Oh.
Wow.
My cleavage.
Todd, you don't put some. Think like.
I ain't flashing nobody. Hold on. Hey, other one. See, I don't. My boob, like one boob is bigger than the other.
Are you serious?
Yeah, look.
Oh my god.
Hey, hold on. There you go. What am I want my boobs to be bigger. I want to be like that. Well, so the other one fill it out. What?
What you did on that? Oh my god.
So they can do all that, but they can't. Okay, we should say hi to somebody.
You're so burnt to that. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was perfect. Oh, I want to watch this video so I can see your face. Oh my god.
Look.
What? What are you doing?
Look.
What am I doing, Tata?
I'm giving you the look.
Are you serious? I'm gonna keep it so real with you. It was like chance. Cause I can't see nothing else. It looks like a shit, brother chance, brother.
No, I don't have a unibrow just because y'all thought, look. Completely shaven. Or waxed, or plucked, or cheesed.
Uh-uh.
That's like a really pretty picture. That's kind of creepy too.
It looks like incredible